Make the ground shake.
Hello, this is another episode of JK Brabgood. Today is a race car Audi versus a Lotus.
Lotus, Elon Spirit.
So here you go.
So my car has 4.7 speed.
Mine was 7.6, but can still go pretty fast with the acceleration and the turning and everything.
So let's go.
And if you look at the curve, trying something new.
Very nice car.
It is.
I get its position here. I'm gonna go for a tiny test run to compare for later. So it's not very fast at all. Oops. Ignore that damage in the back.
Yeah. So mine seems consistent at 189 at top speeds.
Yeah.
Hey, here we go.
Oh, holy.
Oh, wow.
That,
You got some airtime there.
yes.
Look at the parts that fell off. See some red, that means some of my cards too. Oh, yep, that's one. Both of these are just all of our review mirrors right there.
I love how in Forza you can actually see them.
Yeah.
See the parts that fell off. So I'm gonna go for a test drive while Jake gets some speed. Seems to be going about the same. Yeah, 330 here to get to 60. So
Yeah, so that's right. Mine doesn't go as fast as the other cars, but the inclines seem to give it some airtime, some height.
because it's so low,
Yeah, this car has such good control and turning.
it's a good thing there's an ambulance standing by right behind me.
Yeah, too bad it can't move and there are no people. Ooh,
Ooh, the grass really slows you down.
ooh, that might have ruined that one. We'll see.
I don't know, I think,
Nope.
I mean, that still was something.
Yeah, we got a few more to go anyways.
Yeah.
Okay, I did not think the grass could slow down this car, but now we know.
Okay, so I'm gonna go over here to give Jake a tiny bit more speed. I think the car is actually doing pretty well in terms of speed and the engine.
Yeah. This is our third lap, Gabe. We got 2 more to go.
Yep. And guess what I just found? A glitch. I did not go a lap, but it says I went a lap.
No, you're on your first lap.
Oh, oops. I feel stupid. Okay, so I'm back in position.
Okay, I'm coming around.
Whoa, stop.
I see you.
Okay, good. Boom. Oh.
That was not as good as the first one.
Definitely some damage.
I have some dents, some cracks in the windshield.
My car, I think, is not doing well. Windshield wipers are still on.
Okay, well I guess we'll just have to change that after this lap.
Exactly.
One last lap to go.
I would not want to drive this car in a race unless everyone else was using crappier cars.
Try and go head to head first. Yeah, turn around. Try and get
Sure.
it. Let's go on the blue line.
Blue line, okay. Okay, I'm on the blue line.
$190.
Oh,
Head to head. Ooh, that was a big hit. It made you flip.
yes.
Now let's see about those windshield wipers. Oh,
They're still on.
man. Small car, yet tough car.
Exactly. And I mean, it's
Final assessments. Just dents, cracks in the windshield.
and that's basically the same with mine, except there's more dents. But the engine seems to be intact. It's going pretty much the same as it was before. So remember, do not try this at home. Do it on Forza.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Bye.